Hey there, welcome back to another video. Today, we're diving into a fascinating problem that needs solving. So let's jump right into it. The problem we're tackling today is a tricky one. We have a script that's meant to merge multiple docx files into a single PDF. However, when we try to run the script with a specific set of URLs, we encounter a JavaScript runtime error. Not ideal, right? Now, onto the solution. Our trusty script has a couple of areas that need tweaking. Firstly, we need to adjust how we extract the file IDs from the URLs. This little change should help our script identify the files correctly. Next, we need to make some modifications to how the PDF data is merged. It seems that when dealing with large PDF files, our current approach falls short. By updating our merging script, we hope to merge the PDFs seamlessly. With these tweaks in place, we should hopefully be able to overcome the JavaScript runtime error and successfully merge our docx files into a single PDF. Fingers crossed. And that's a wrap on today's video. If you found this solution helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below. Remember, it's all about those engagement metrics. Until next time, happy coding, and may your scripts always run smoothly. See you in the next one.